Now's the time. You gotta get up and boogie with this, honey. Yeah. You gotta find that boogie body. Okay, that's good. Looks good. Feel the beat. Chicka, 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 chicka. Now take it to the right, the left. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Find it. Feel it. Do it. All right, yeah. Got to move your boogie body. Come on and shake those hips. Move that boogie body. Yeah. It's okay, move that boogie body. Come on, take it up, take it up, take it down, take it down, take it up, take it up, take it down, take it down. Get out. Now here we go to circle them. Oh, we're here to let you know. Well, if you wanna boogie, get down on the dance floor. Let's go. Ha, ha. Ow. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Circle those hips. Oh, oh. The bigger the circle, the thinner the waist. If you want a boogie, get down on the dance floor. Let's go. Let's go. A band. Hi there. This is a little something to cool you off, I think. I've got these two cute guys behind me, and you'll never guess what they want me to do. Hold it! Look out. They want to be seduced. Can you believe it? Whoa. Yeah. Again. Come on, find your pelvis. I know you've got one, and it's okay to move it, for heaven's sake. Yes. Yeah, do it again. He likes to be real cool. They both like to be real cool. Do you? I hope so. Oh, look out, look out, look out. Are you ready? Now find that beat. There it is. Oh, yeah. That's good. Ho! Now stract, release, contract, release, contract, release. There you go. Smiling, smiling, smiling. Now to the pelvis. Front, back, push it, pull it, push it, pull it. Yeah! There you go. Now your favorite thing, the hips, sugar.